Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create piping in seconds in SOLIDWORKS. Here I have a simple assembly with a tank and a pump. Connection points are already defined for routing. So, to start the routing and assembly, I have to just select the face where C points are added and start the route. On left you will get the Route Properties tab, in which you can select your desired properties. After selecting, you have to select the C point on which you want to start the route. To select the C point of other component, you just right-click on its C point and click Add Route. After selecting the required C points of which you want to start route, your next task is to connect those points. Here, you can see an option, Auto Route, through which you can automatically generate the route path. In this, you also get the option of selecting alternative route paths generated by SOLIDWORKS. So, with the help of Auto Route option, you can easily create route path between components and save time, as there is no need for manually creating sketches. Thank you.